Here is your practice test, test 7 on compound angle formula and question number 4. Find the value of each of the following. A. Sine of pi by 6 minus pi by 4. B. Cos of minus pi by 4 minus pi by 3. And C is tan of minus 3 pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3. So I like you to answer these questions, and once you have answered, you can look into my suggestion. Now I'm not going to really solve them, but I'm just going to suggest you how to do it, right? Now the first one is sine A plus B, straight application of the formula. You can write this as sine A cos B minus cos A sine B and get your answer, correct? So that is how actually you have to do all of them. Now the second one is, we have a twist here, that is we have cos of minus pi by 4 and minus pi by 3. So that makes kind of things more difficult at times. But remember that cos of minus theta is cos theta. That should help you to answer this, right? So the hint here is that cos of minus theta is actually equals to cos of theta, right? So therefore you can actually write this as cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 3. Do you see that? You can write like this, and now you know cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is your formula, right? So now this will be equals to cos A is pi by 4, cos B is pi by 3 minus sin pi by 4 sin pi by 3, right? So once you plug in the values from your special triangles, you should be good to get the answer, right? So that is your special triangles, correct? So let me just draw both of them here for you. So if this is pi by 4, that is 1, 1 and square root 2, that is pi by 4. And for pi by 3 and 6, we get this triangle, correct? Pi by 3, this is 90 degrees, 1, 2 and square root 3. So plug in the values, get your answer, correct? Now, tan. So here what we can do is we can just shuffle the values inside. So we get tan of 2 pi by 3 minus 3 pi by 4, correct? And then you can use your tan formula and get all the values, right? So the formula you remember is tan A minus tan B, which is tan of 2 pi by 3 minus tan of 3 pi by 4 over 1 minus tan A tan B. Sorry, 1 plus tan A tan B, which is 3 pi by 4, correct? So that's your formula. But here you should remember one thing, that when you're talking about all these angles, 2 pi by 3 and 3 pi by 3, in which quadrant they are. So that makes huge difference. So in the case of tan, 2 pi by 3 happens to be in this quadrant. So here we have 2 pi by 3, right? And 3 pi by 4, so this is 1 pi by 4, 2 pi by 3 pi by 4 is also here, right? So both these values are negative. Do you see that? So both are negative. So as you know, cost rules, so tan, as you know, tan is positive here only, and here it is negative, correct? So when you plug in the values from there, you put negative values. That should help you to solve the question, right? So that way you should be in a position to get all your answers. Thank you.